So I'll be doing an unboxing for my business. So stay tuned if you want to see that. Welcome to Sasky Gang. What's up, guys? It's your girl Sasky. Welcome back to my channel. So today we have another video. Okay, so today's video will be unboxing for my business. So I got a package from MD Courier. Yeah. So I'll be doing an unboxing for my business. So stay tuned if you want to see that. Alright. So don't forget to follow my Instagram at Sasky_Unbothered. Don't forget to follow my business page at Sasky_Collection. And don't forget to follow my TikTok at Sasky_Unbothered. Yeah. So let's jump right into the video. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Leave a comment. Okay, so what I don't understand, right? Why would you be watching the video but you're not leaving any like and you're not subscribing? Like, am I understanding? Share with your friends, share with your granny and auntie, everybody. We're currently on the road to 200K. So, if you don't hear a scrick in the background, I'll find it right this one. So let's get into the unboxing. So I'm gonna need a scissors. Alright people, so I'm gonna go for your scissors with some come. Okay guys, so I'm back with the knife. So let's pull this package. Okay. Let me turn the camera down a little bit. No. Let me try to push this out a little. I don't laugh on my belly. Boy, I want to see, can't see. Alright. So that's that. Guys, if you want to see the box right there, so I'm a business things in there. So I have a suitcase, business things. So, yeah. So mind your business. What my nail cut? Why is this so hard? Alright. So we're done with that. Okay. Woo! Alright. So I see there's a lot of things in this box. Okay, so this is a card that came with the. They also sent some. What is this? I don't know. It looks like some nails and a little something like that. Okay, so the first order of business is the first suit. So let me take a look at it. So it's a shirt. It's a shirt set. So this is how it looks. It has a sweetheart neckline with that, and the bottom, and also come with a belt. All right. So the next one is let me see. So the next one is also a suit. So this is how it looks. and there's a top. Give me a second. So this is how the top looks. Yeah. So okay, another suit, or let me see, a top. It looks like, ooh, oh, so this is also a short set. The strings to go in the shorts, you know, thing turn up, but the slim as them. So this is how the shorts, when the string go in, that's how it's supposed to look. And this is the top. And they gave an extra string. Okay guys, hold up, I'm thirsty. Oh. Sorry. Okay, so there's a couple more things here. Let us take a look. Alright. So the banger jacket. So, you know what this look like? Something with that take out. Alright, so the shorts, yeah. And also see the top one. You know, say, you look at short. Can't talk to you. Okay, let me see this one. Okay, so this is for my, like, 4+ sizes. So this is the top. It's a little cute. And this is the bottom for my babies that are, you know, they are big. So let me see the size of this. Yeah, so this is definitely a 2X and it stretches. So, you know, my babies, I care about the plus size too. As you can see my belly and my chest. What? Did I just say my belly is in my chest? Like, what? What the hell am I speaking about? Alright. Alright, so let's cut this. Oh, I'm so excited. Like, I'm so freaking excited. Okay, so this looks like a little jacket and it's red. Anybody over here knows that red is my favorite color, and red is just I love red. Okay, so this is a little jacket and it comes with a little skirt. So sorry, more into the rate the whole of them. We'll rate it down in the comment section. So this and that. Alright. Let me see the other one. This look fire. This suit look fire. I'm just telling you guys. Just go and go over my business people, right? Just go on from me. This is just fire. Tell me who. Okay, so it has a little detail. It says heaven. You know, it has a little bit of color. Although it's white, it has that little bit of color, that pop. Okay, and let us see the top. It says heaven. Yeah, so that's that. So the bottom and the top matches. So yeah. If you're not shopping at Sasky Collection, what are you doing? What are you doing? Tell me what you're doing. Tell me what you're doing. I don't understand what you're doing. If you're not shopping here, where are you shopping? Okay. So you guys can see that it's been a lot of short suits. It's a lot of suits. You know? For okay, so this has some pockets. The next pocket, you know. And this has the top. This is for. Let me see the size. Where's the size? Okay, so this is a large. So this is for one of my, plus size babies. Yeah. This is for you. So this is a large. So see them. That's that. Alright. The next one. Whew. Okay. Okay, so this is a romper. You see? It's a romper. And it comes with a little, titty blouse to cover your tits. So, if you're not shopping at Sasky Collection, what are you doing? Let me know what you'll be doing. What do you be doing? I don't understand what you be doing. If you're not shopping here, where are you shopping? Ooh. Okay. We're about to get in some things. We're about to get in some things. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's a blouse. I have a top. Go like that. And it has a little shorts that goes like. Go shop now. Just go shop now. The link will be down in this description. So just go shop. Just go shop. Alright. Okay, let us see this one. Let us see this one. Okay, so this is another short set. Like, didn't I buy any skirts? I only bought a lot of this. So it's a shorts. This is how the shorts look. And this is the top. So I guess I bought two. One blue, one white. I guess that's how it is. I guess I saw a body. Yeah. I think they're in two different sizes. Okay. Feeling beachy and so forth. Alright. But it's sort of big size people. It's a little see-through. Yeah. So this is a skirt. And this is the top. Yeah. So that's that. Why am I so thirsty? Okay, so two more is left. Which one do you think I should pull first? Okay, so I'm gonna do this one. So this is it. This is the bottom. And this is the top. And it has a little string with it to do the front. So it has a pitch of white. It has a pitch of white. And yeah. So that was the last piece. No. Why am I saying that? So the shorts with the top, and it comes with a string to tie it. Okay, so the last one, I hope this is a banger. The last one always should be a banger. So let us see. Okay, so this is it. This is the top. Okay. Ooh, so, ooh. Okay. Okay, so it's a skirt. It has a short in the middle, so you know you don't have to wear the tie because it's unencumbered. Okay, so guys, that was the end of it. So I want you to rate okay. So I want you guys to rate each outfit. Sorry. I want you to rate each outfit. Tell me how much you give each suit. From the first to the last, which one you like the most. Tell me which suit you like the most. So that completes the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Like the video. Like the video and subscribe. Like, subscribe. What are you doing? Subscribe. Okay. So, with that being said, don't forget to follow the Bad Business page. When I say Bad Business, I mean Bad Business page. Sassy collection for the good clothes them. Write this up. And for those who have been leaving my business page link in the comments, and I also will, if you want to place an order, you can contact me on my cell, my business cell. It's on the business page also, and I'll see it quicker there. I should think. No. Yeah. And follow my TikTok at Saskia_Unbothered, and follow the link will be